With this video, we will see how to convert 16-bit logical address to the 20-bit physical address. In figure, memory is shown on left side whose memory location is denoted by 5 digits. 5 digits in hexadecimal is equivalent of 20 bits in binary. Now let from this memory, the code segment begins with address A9860 in hexadecimal. Then upper 4 digits in hexadecimal equivalent to 16 bits in binary get stored in corresponding code segment register present in bus interface unit. Now we will recall certain points before proceeding with address conversion. 8086 address bus is 20 bits long. Therefore, the total address space or memory obtained from 8086 is 2 raised to 20, which is splitted into equal size 16 segments. So, size of each of the segment becomes 2 raised to 20 divided by 2 raised to 4, which equals to 2 raised to 16, which in further equals to 65,536. So, total number of locations offered by segment are 65,536. That does mean the maximum distance between first and last byte stored in segment is 65,535. If we set all 16 bits to 0, we get 0 in decimal. Whereas by setting all 16 bits to 1, we get 65,535 in decimal. So remember, if we set 16 bits to 1, the equivalent representation in hexadecimal is F, 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 4 times F. Let the starting address of code segment is A9860. Now in order to obtain the ending address, we must add 65,535 in decimal to it. After adding 65,535 to the starting address, we get B985F. So here the starting and ending addresses of the code segment are shown. Now coming back to the logical to physical address conversion. Let the instruction to be fetched is at address A9900 in hexadecimal, which is at distance 116 decimal and 00A0 in hexadecimal. You may calculate this by converting starting address and address of instruction into decimal, then find the difference and again convert it back to the hexadecimal. So here it is 116 decimal, which equals to 00A0 in hexadecimal. Now this offset address or this distance is stored with instruction pointer register. Now we will see what are the steps involved in conversion. So first step is to append 0 digit to the 16-bit address from code segment register. Code segment register contains A986. By appending 0, the 16-bit address becomes 20-bit in length because appending 1 0 digit equals to appending 4 number of zeros from the binary. Then second step is to add 16-bit offset address from instruction pointer to it. Now this addition we have to perform in hexadecimal. So who are not aware of how to perform addition in hexadecimal, please look for that video. Now see after how to perform this addition. 0 0 0, then 6 plus a, here a is representing 10, 6 plus 10 is 16, 16 modulus 16 is 0 and 16 divided by 16 is 1. So 16 divided by 16, which is giving 1, acts as carry. So by adding carry to the 8, 8 plus 1 9 becomes 9. 9 modulus 16 is 9. 9 divided by 16 is 0. So 9 plus carry 0 is equal to 9. 9 modulus 16 is 0. By adding carry 0 to a, we get a. A modulus 16 is a and a divided by 16 is 0. So we obtained the address A9900 at which the byte is stored, which is to be fetched and to be stored with the instruction queue. Now the addition in hexadecimal could be performed in alternate way. This address may be converted into the binary, and we have to add the same way we have to convert the instruction pointer contents in binary, then go on performing addition on both, and whatever is obtained convert back to the hexadecimal. So this is the address where the instruction reside. Now this instruction, 1 byte of instruction can be fetched in advance and can be stored with the instruction queue. Now the question arises whether processor chooses this register arbitrarily. No, processor do not choose any arbitrary register for getting the offset address. Rather, there is certain relationship between segment registers and offset registers. For code segment, the offset address is stored with the instruction pointer in order to get the next instruction. Similarly, for extra segment and data segment, the offset register may be obtained from either of the offset registers BX, SI or DI in order to get the data byte from the calculated address. Then stack segment works with stack pointer or base pointer in order to get the address of the next instruction to be fetched. Thank you.